Damn it. What's your rule about fighting, Fred? You want to fight somebody? Come fight me. I'll fight you. A dangerous man. Being dangerous is not the same as being a threat. Those are two different things. And it's not about lifting weights, getting tattoos, wearing leather jackets, or walking around with your chest out saying, "I'm dangerous." Very rarely is that a dangerous man. Often, the most dangerous man in the room is the quietest man in the room. When we were in Wyoming, I was talking to the neighbor behind me, the manager of all this ranch land. Across the road, he had a few sheep. He said, "I don't recommend you go over and check out the sheep. He has one of those dogs. That dog doesn't know you, and he might eat you up protecting those sheep." That dog was dangerous, but that dog did not sit on the hillside with his head up and hair flowing in the wind like some lion telling the whole world, "I'm dangerous." He was just with the sheep. He was not a danger to the sheep, the lambs, or anything around him. They were perfectly safe. He wasn't telling everybody how dangerous he was. In fact, from a distance, he looked like one of the sheep. But if you go down there and he thinks you're trying to harm one of them, it's a different story. That's dangerous. You can't be a fully good man if you're not a dangerous man. To be good is to do good for people. And sometimes, doing good means protecting people. Protecting those around us. These days, I'm a laid-back, mellow, middle-aged fellow. I talk slow and easy, and I move slow and easy. But if you say one disrespectful thing to my wife in my presence, I am not only willing, but able to inflict great bodily damage. And I will do so. I'm not a danger to those around me. I'm not a danger to the sheep. It's about willingness and mindset. Then you work on the physical side of it. Start losing weight. Start going to the gym. Start learning some things. If you are not willing and able, to some degree, to protect the family that you have started, you don't have the right to have a family.